Evaluator rightly mentioned, I'm going to take a presentation from the pathway level 3 elective. And here the objective is to familiarize with a presentation, how a presentation should be done. So I'm going to the topic. It should requires me to mention the topic, title, and my name. The topic is role of club treasurer. Title is club finance. It is not a training session. The sole objective of this particular presentation is to know what is the importance of a club treasurer and also the club finance. As we all know, the finance is very important in day-to-day life, also in Toastmasters Club, for its survival as well as for its continuance. These are the 4 core values in Toastmasters we follow: the integrity, respect, service, and excellence. So these are the expectation, the basic expectation from any club officer, starting from president to sergeant at arms. So applies to the treasurer. So the scope of this presentation, we are going to cover the role of a treasurer and his broad responsibilities. What is the Toastmaster Club mission? It says that we provide a supportive, it has 3 legs. First leg is, it mentioned that we provide a supportive and positive learning experience. So there is an experience club will offer, and by this experience, members are empowered to develop communication and leadership skill. Second leg. So experience help them to empower their communication and leadership skills, and finally, it will result in greater self-confidence and personal growth. The first and foremost point is there must be an experience, and the experience you cannot say that it will happen only by delivering good speeches or only by quality club meetings. It requires and it ensures that we do things properly on time. So what is the role of a treasurer? He has to oversee the club accounts, whether the club accounts are properly maintained. He has to collect the membership dues on time. We know we have the 2 periods, April to September and October to March. These 2 periods we have to pay the dues in advance. So collect the dues in advance to members. Remit the membership dues to Toastmaster International on time, so that the club will not miss out the DC points as well as the district awards. It is very important that in the April to September term, we have to add 4 persons. We'll get 1 point. The next term also, we have to add 4 persons. We'll get 1 point, as well as we have the district awards other. This will not be missed out. So it is a role of treasurer too. And the most important thing, the club expense. The club expense has to be met. Please don't feel that club can meet expense for any purpose. No, the club can meet expense only for achieving the club mission, as mentioned by Toastmaster International. It cannot give charity, it cannot give donation, it cannot buy expensive items and give gift. No, of course, it can give gift in special situations, but it cannot spend much because we are a non-profit organization. So what is the source of a club funds? If the club is having a bank account, the previous accumulation, first source, and second is the receipt from members. The new members will collect amount. Also, will collect amount from the existing members during the 2 renewal terms. So the whatever accumulation we have, second is the receipt from members, and the utilization. Utilization is that we have to remit the membership dues on time. That's a very important thing, because we can remit only by credit card. So we'll be using one of the members' credit card for making remittance, and the club will reimburse from the club's bank account. Also, it can use for meeting the club expenses. So responsibility includes preparation of financial report. We can tell it the financial statements. In simple terms, receipts and payment account. What are the receipts of the club for the period? What are the payments of the club? Hello?
Yes, sure.
There's an interruption in between. So the responsibility covers preparation of financial report, receipts and payment account and balance sheet, collect the dues on time, and reporting. Reporting is very important. So what happens in our club too? We are going to have the practice. To be honest, we already approached the bank to open the bank account. Deepak has approached the same. This week's time, we'll have the bank account through. And we are going to collect from new members only in the new bank account, not to last time. Till last time, we are ensuring that it will come to my bank account and I make the payment. That is going to be stopped. Any new member, we will be collecting only in the club's bank account. So what are the broad responsibility? Preparation of club budget. Budget should be required. So what are the budget for the next 1 year? So we can split in the 6 months budget and next 6 months budget. Intimate the bank on change in signatories. So now we are going to open a new bank account. There is no need of fresh intimation. Next time, whenever there is a change in the officers, they have to intimate. So normally the signatory will be the president and the treasurer. We can add secretary to, no issue. Remittance of club dues and expense, keep the financial records. Excel is fine, or if required, that much volume is there, we can use some software. Otherwise, Excel is a very good tool. And what are the do's and don'ts? We have to stop the practice of collecting the membership due directly to the bank account of any member. This is a practice set by the new committee. We'll ensure that it never go to any member's account. It will go only to club account. Club can only keep a current account and no fixed deposit. It is a new information for me. As a district officer, I've gone through the district administrative manual and it makes very clear, because even the club bank account means it belongs to Toastmaster International. We cannot keep an FD. It doesn't permit. The administrative manual doesn't permit keeping a fixed deposit. We have to ensure that we have to keep balance in the current account. Issue receipts to members on time. We have to, and we will follow the same. And present the club accounts at least on a monthly basis to Club ExCom, Executive Committee. Anyone having questions regarding the role of treasurer? Please raise question. The question hour session. Anyone having question?
Is this club is registered under any?
No, club. It is not like Rotary Club. Rotary Club, we see the Rotary Club, what they will do is that they have a separate constitution. They will apply, they will have separate PAN number. They'll apply for 12A and 8G exemption. And Toastmaster clubs, they cannot. As already mentioned, we are all part of Toastmaster International. There is no place of business at all. So when you charter a club, when you open a bank account, we have to give the club charter. Also, we'll obtain a document from the Toastmaster International stating that this is being registered with California, Tax Department California. No place of business here. And no club is going to take a PAN. No club is going to collect donation. We cannot collect donation from public, only membership fee. This club being existent, the club exists to ensure that it works for the betterment of members, to improve the communication and leadership skills. Any other questions? Thank you all. These are the brief role, not a very something a rocket science. Next time, anyone can take up the role of a treasurer. Please ensure these things. And the important thing, whenever in doubt, basic principle, ask question. Ask question to seniors. Even Toastmaster International is there to answer queries. Thank you all. Thank you very much.